Hi, this is Devpriya M. I'm from Coimbatore and my age is 23. Basically, I have completed a diploma in civil engineering in the year 2021 and B in the civil engineering in the year 2024. And my father is a painting contractor and my mom is a housewife. I'm having a sibling. She is studying 11th standard. Actually, I have a career gap, so I have started searching to likely enter into IT jobs. So, likewise, when I'm searching, I thought of jumping into cloud sector. So, where I got a pop-up of a message like this, they are taking a course in TNDST by Cultus. So I thought of joining and I made a web search also about this career and opportunities. Likewise, I'm seeing a future will be in the cloud. So I thought of switching into cloud. According to, I searched for many others also, but Cultus has a very good teaching professionals and placement also. So what I have chosen for Cultus. Actually, when I'm starting a AWS cloud, I don't know anything about it. I just started blankly, thinking only the end point of the career opportunity, what I'm going to achieve in the end of the 3 months or in the 4 months. So mainly because of my mentor Zubair sir, he taught us very easily and very practically everything which practical examples. So what he made us to understand very easily, starting from virtual computer to end of the domain name, till that we learned everything with this example, real-time example. He taught us very easily, and the Cultus team also a very good support. If you put any mail, they will be replying very within a hour like that. So they also helped us in a very good manner, and he also helped us in the very good manner. So this what made me to learn focusedly and without distracting my mind in anything. Very easy and very good journey in learning. So here come, I will say that I made it good and I completed my exam also. From starting itself, after each class I will be having a schedule. Actually our class is afternoon, but I makes to study in the morning time and I will be going into the class. Likewise, after completing all our class, we had a revision session with my friends. So they helped me more and they taught me more. So we will be teaching each other and making it very easily. The concept will be understanding very easily. And we have practiced our in AWS Educate. There is an likewise certificates in all the domains. So we have done each certificates, and actually in that questions also there in the exam. So this made me help very easily. We searched for online questions, how the questions will be there. Likewise, we practiced with that questions, and we revisioned all the things what Sir taught us. And in that AWS portal also, we will be having an end exam in all the modules. So that all things helped us to get these many marks in that. It was really great experience, ma'am, and I couldn't believe that I will be getting 1,000. Even to be frank, we don't know we will be answering all the question for the correct, but even to say I answered 5 to 6 questions by my fluke, but anyway I got it correct and I got it 1,000. While writing the exam, I have faced a challenge also. In my area there was a power cut. Then I was praying to the God, what is this? It has gone. My future will be going like that. I have been prayed, and I have really thankful to God. I have written my exam in some other one house. So also I scored this mark. It's really grateful. My eyes are with really happy tears. Actually, we have done this course for some other to place in a cloud sector. So we are side by side. We are searching for the job also, and I'm happy to say that Cultus also had offered me a job. So that is also a very happy moment. And they said us joining like by November 1st. And other thing is I am going to keep on learning about the AWS cloud. So I like to do certification on this AWS. So I'm practicing for that. Daily basis I'm learning some of the courses in AWS Educate and training and certification also. AWS is a very good career. You can start with that. If you're in likewise, I'm basically a civil field. I have even jumped into AWS very easily because they taught us very good manner. Yeah, you can also learn AWS because compared to other clouds, they offer more easily learning platform. So you can work hands-on practice, then testers. So this makes you very easy learning then comparatively to other cloud platforms. So why I have also choose the AWS, and you can also choose AWS. Cultus, they helped me in lots of places. So comparatively, I have searched for many other organizations to join for my courses, but Cultus made it very easily simple, and they gave me a good guidance to join in Cultus. So this may help me to join here, and learning mentors who taught us very easily. He made to be very honest, I don't know anything. He taught us very well. So like this mentors they have in Cultus, so you can also join. So basically, if you don't know anything also, they will make you perfect, and they will make you to do the you have achieved. You don't need to worry about anything. You just focus. They will make you to complete it.